Howdy folks, it's Hansom, and welcome to another episode of What's on My Bench. It's a Monday. I'm not going to tell you the date, but it's a Monday. Came into work, got my parts in over the weekend, and I got a bunch of lens units for a G7X's Mark IIs. And let's see what's going on. It's kind of obvious. So we got a G7X Mark II with a lens unit replacement. Oh, well, that could be the issue right there. Oh, that's funny. For research purposes, let's turn her on. Yeah, that's what I thought. Ooh, you could hear it. Go tick, tick. All right, so we got a lens error, straightforward. Don't think I have one of these on my channel, the long length. I have shorts of it with time lapse. Good luck learning from that. Don't forget to hit that like, hit that subscribe, shoot your boy a comment. Keep it rolling. All right, so I got in a bunch of parts from China. This one doesn't look brand new, but hey, it's gotta be, it better be brand new. But I found this company that has 7 of them in stock, so yeah, I bought them all off eBay. I've done a couple from the store and they worked. So I'm assuming this one works. If it doesn't, I'm still gonna post this and you'll see not to buy theirs if it doesn't work. But hopefully it does work. Let's get into this. Don't have a lot of time. Y'all know we're gonna open up soon. Tools! Buy my tools! They right there! Not gonna keep asking. Y'all will buy them when you need them. New merch coming soon. Hopefully, maybe. I don't know if I can get around to it. I'm one person. That's it. If you want to help out, email me. First and foremost, we're going to take this battery out. And we're going to get to taking this thing apart. All right, get these back panel screws. Hope everybody's doing well. Staying focused, staying positive. This camera is discontinued by Canon. And the way that they sell that lens assembly is absurd, and it cost almost $600 because they sell you the whole front, not just the lens unit anymore. So I have to outsource the part from eBay. That is why. Wow, that was funny. Is that the whole? Oh man, that's right. Put you right there. Stand, yeah, ball. Stand up straight. There is a screw in the battery compartment for that top cover. Goes right there. Oh yeah. Make sure the flash is up to take that off. I did the flex there. Should just pop right out. Boom, bam, Bob's your uncle. I heard there's a fan favorite saying. Not gonna lie, I love it too. bracket. Now these flex cables, unfortunately, are the only thing holding these in. Oh yeah. Make sure you take this off. You need that. Oh, you need that. All right. We got that off. This comes off. Boom. Boom. There you go. That's the lens unit right there. This is the new one. And we are going to just snap her in. Make sure that stays there. This goes right back in there. Now, I like to throw this one back in there to hold that. Then, come on. And throw this one on the opposite side. Boom. This guy's gonna sit right there. Remember, the small one goes there. Oh, that goes under, that's right. Little piece goes under. I'm putting this in now, so I ain't got to deal with popping stuff left and right and all that crap. All right, remember I said to keep that. Oop. It sits right there. If you don't have that in or you lose it, you will have a loose lens unit shaking around. Gotta get this flex cable. Whoop. Okay. There we go. Make sure that cover you put in still sits there. It's not poking out. This looks good. Remember, the green is over here. Man, let's put all these screws back. See how good my repairing really is. As you can tell, I've done a lot of these in the past 2 years. I may have done close to 100. I know that doesn't sound like a lot, but that is a lot of cameras. Of one model? Yeah, definitely probably more than 100, because I did these even before I moved out to North Carolina, so. All right, let's say a prayer to the camera gods. Shutter speed, aperture, ISO. All right, moment of truth. Charge the battery. I thought I messed up. All right, moment of truth. Set time and date. All right. Skip. Got it in continuous mode on a G7X. Got to get them sequential shots. Let's see if lens is going back and forth. Check the flash. Oh, where's the flash at? Oh, it's in auto. Duh. Put it in manual. Force that thing to flash. We live, baby. We are all the way live. All right, so that was a lens assembly replacement on a G7X Mark II. Thanks for watching this episode of What's on My Bench. Until next time, don't break nothing. Peace! I'm no joke, you know. I'm no joke, y'all. I'm no joke, you know. I'm no joke, y'all. I'm no